My mother wants me to do this. My mother wants me to do that. Where's your mother? She's over there. And it's her dead body. I am upset. Okay.
I do not talk like that.
Whom whom. Oh Lord. Oh. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows.
No.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shalom Meadows, the channel where, hey, I don't know what I'm gonna say, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. But this channel, as far as we know, is about flipping the old rundown building from 1960s or 70s into our home. So come on along, keep joining us if you've already joined us, and if you're new, just come along on the ride. Hey, today we're going to put in the kitchen window. Now I know y'all probably thinking, hey man, is that all you do now is put in windows? I'm sorry. Hey, we gotta get the windows in there one way or another. And hey, there's gonna be new stuff coming up soon. But we're gonna put some wall up right here for the kitchen. This is gonna be a part of the kitchen right here. And as you can already see, we got it cut out to get the window in. So, yippee-doo-dah day, y'all. Hey, we're gonna try our best, and hopefully there's no leakages, because hey, we still are new at this stuff. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll know when we got videos coming out every Wednesday. It really helps our channel. Let's get to work.
What do you mean?
I can't.
Push it over just a little bit. Even just a little bit.
What do you mean? I've fallen and I can't get up. Ow. Oh, Lord. Oh. I'm not that old, okay? I did watch Urkel, but I'm not that old. Be nice. Be nice. But down in the comments, how old do you think I am? I'm definitely not tall enough to reach over without my back going, help! Okay. I don't know if I got enough room now, but we'll see. That, and cut a hole for there and there and there and there, and for there. So I got to make sure I get a little knife and cut a little knife, and then I got to do that little knife there, and then I got to cut it around and then saw it. It's a 10. That's what I'll say. Spider. I'm sorry if there's any insect lovers out there. I'm sorry, little guy. I wasn't trying to be mean. I'm sorry. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh.
What is it?
Spider web.
Look how different it looks already.
Gosh. Ow. I'm okay. I'm alright. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little tutorial, okay? You ready? Use your hand correctly. Pick up the nail gun with your hand, not your fingernail. Gosh! Pew pew. That's a nice little tutorial for you guys. I'm not out of ammo. Mayday, I'm not out of ammo. There's a spider web right there on there. On there light.
Why wouldn't there be?
I know. There's a spider web on this. Oh, why wouldn't there be? Gosh. That bottom flooring is very hard.
That is the curviest line I've ever seen.
They get better. What you doing with this?
Just putting it over there, yes.
He's putting it in here, yeah. How much put it in here? How good you go? You're so small. Oh, you're over here. Woo, woo. Oh my goodness. I am upset. Okay.
I do not talk like that.
Wom wom.
Then that.
No.
We're gonna check this window before we cut it out and put it in, just to make sure that it's correct before we cut it out, because we don't want to have another mishap, you know. I hope we don't anyway, putting this in. Hopefully no leakages. The only leakages we need is what's leaking out of my mouth right now. We're gonna measure it, that over there, to make sure it is a 24 by 24. And hopefully it can, we can just, you know, tape it up, caulk it up, put it in, and be good. This one here looks, I thought that was a big old spider. See what this one looks like. If I can get her out. It'd be bad if I dropped it and broke it, wouldn't it?
We have neighbors.
I know.
I don't know why it reminds me of that movie. What is it called? Bates Motel. I have no idea because he did it with a knife.
I'm not going to dress up like my mother.
My mother wants me to do this. My mother wants me to do that.
Where's your mother?
She's over there.
And it's her dead body. That's been dead for who knows how long. It's a corpse. And it's his mother. So like, I didn't kill her.
What me? She's alive.
But
Ew. Oh my god.
just like this. It's what's making me go crazy.
Sorry about the lighting, guys. It is cast over, of course, again, while we're trying to put in another window. You know.
Oh, for some reason I thought she said cast over.
I did.
I thought about cast away. I was thinking, man, she's thinking I'm so crazy. I'm out on an island talking to a ball.
It was a sophisticated looking ball.
Because it was a Wilson ball. Pretty clever.
Your beard jiggles. I see light.
Ow! Is that good?
Yep.
As y'all can see, we got the window in. And next week, our plan is to bugs. Sorry. Our plan next week is to start putting the ceiling back up, because each time it's rained, we have not seen any drippages or anything. I don't know why I said drippages. Any leaks. But that is our plan for next week, is to start putting the drywall back up on the ceiling. And my lovely wife, she's probably got something else planned too. You know how it works out. You know, we come up here and we're like, this is the plan, and either something happens or we add more to the plan. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love you guys. Thank you for coming back. Shalom, y'all.